Hello world, I'm John Kenneth from Singapore, and this is my CS50P final project. I created a to-do list in Python, so let's get started. When we run our program, we'll be prompted with a list of actions that we can do. If we want to view our tasks, we can type in V, and as you can see, there are currently no tasks on our list. To create a task, we'll type in C, and it'll prompt us what task we want to add to our list. So for example, we can type in wash the dishes, and press V again, and as you can see, the task has been added to the list. We can create multiple tasks, so maybe another one would be do math homework, and another one finish CS50P project. We'll type in V, and as you can see, the 3 tasks are added to our list. We can update the task by pressing U, and it will ask us which task we'd like to update. So I want to update the second one, and instead of doing math homework, maybe we'll do physics homework. We'll press V again, and as you can see, it has been edited. Let's say we want to delete a task, we can type D, and which task would we like to delete? We'll press 3, type in V again, and as you can see, the third task has been removed from the list. And ultimately, we can exit our program by pressing E. I'm John Kenneth, and this was CS50P.